Inverted means in what the way to print data as output. With help of printf statement, how we are printing the data to an output screen. With help of type specifier with string. So that's what the main important. And what about the input statement? In how to read the data from the user. In what the way we are reading data from the user. That's what called as input statement. With help of type specifier only, we have did everything. Let me consider these examples. First one, scan of percentage of D ampersand A and B. What had happened? Just enter the values 10 space 20 or 10 20. That space or enter will consider as a separation of data. So 10 will be added this, 20 will be added this. You can able to give two way. First way is 10 space 20 or second way is 10 20 or 10 tab space 20. Next, second way, scan of percentage of D space percentage of D. So how can get the input? Only for space between the datas. 10 space 20. This is what the way to read the input. So next, scan of percentage of D 2 space next to data. First data will be here, after 2 space second data will be considered. There is no enter key. No enter will work. We are formatting. Scan of percentage of D $percentage of D. What we are giving input? $10 20. 10 20. Like the way here we used as instead of dollar we used a comma. So 10 comma 20. This is what way to read the input from the user. Next, let me consider this example. Integer A, B, C. We are giving percentage G, percentage G, percentage G, A, comma B, comma C. What is the input of format? 1, 2, 3 or 1 space 2 space 3. A, B, C. A, B, C will be considered. Let me consider these examples. What the example? Percentage of 1D. 1D can represent how many number of digits we are going to read. Only one digit we are going to read. Next data. For B, we are reading only 2 digits. For C, we are reading only 3 digits. So this is for 2 and A will be as 1 data. Then let me consider input may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 8, 0, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4, 1. Let me consider this output. Maximum of people will consider first 1 digit for A, next 2 digit for B, next 3 digits for 3. That is a wrong one. Wrong. Because this is a different one comparatively from the reading input. Scan of statement will work in a different way. It will read only 1 digit from the input. Next 2 digits are considered as B. Next 3 digits are considered as C. For example, the inputs are first after it to be readed 1, that will be keep on to 1. After readed 1, next 2, 4 as B. B is 2 and 4. For C, 5, 7, 8. For C, 5, 7, 8. So this is what the way to read. Once it will complete one digit to read out, it will stop reading it and then save on the value. And next two digits will be read out, then stop reading and keep it on the. This will be work it on to ATM pin number. And this was the best advantage while we are using C programming. There is no support for any other languages. No language will support the formatted reading. Only C will have. Okay, let me consider printf statements. Printf statement will print whatever you give, that should be an output screen. First, let me consider this example formatting of input on output. Printf %d %a comma b. In case of a value is 20, b value is 368. So what will be the output? 20, 368 without space, no space between the data. Here let me consider one space is there, so that we print out with the space. 20 space 368, one space. Let me consider these examples that will be print. The value is like 20 will be printed onto output screen. Next we consider we want to print welcome to SR Tech today. With the quotes we have to print the data. Then how to write the printf statement, how to give printf welcome to. If you are giving with the quotes instantly like this, it will not work. So for instead of that, we used slash SR Tech, again slash today. That's it. If you given like that, it will be print SR welcome to SR Tech Learn. Again, I am writing the statements. Printf welcome to SR Tech. This will be instead of double quotes. Today. That's all this will. So let me consider one more example. 24.50 with the dollar symbol. Maybe value like 2458 double symbol. Then how will be formatted? Floating formation. Printf percentage, it will be F but 2 zeros before decimal, 2 zeros after decimal. So we have to give dollar percentage 2.2 F, the value is A. If you given like that, first dollar will be printed, next from the value 2 digit will be get printed on output screen. There is a different way to read the input from the user as well as the print output screen. Input will read whatever the number of digits you have to read. It will stop reading. But printf statement will be work like 1D means first the A value will be considered as whole. From the digit only 1 will be get printed. So for this 3 will be get printed. So next one is B. From this B, 2 digit will be get printed on output screen. For this 43. Next 3 will be take as whole data. From the data, first 3 data will be printed. 1, 2, 3. It always take into the position of left to right. This is what the way printf will be working.